Welcome to another video, and this is going to be an Adam's mystery bucket unboxing, even though technically I already unboxed this. And I'm just going to get this out the way right now. I'm really disappointed with this one. I don't know if you guys saw the last mystery box unboxing that I did, but I really liked that one. And if you didn't see that, I'll put a link up over here somewhere where you can go check that out. But I bought a mystery bucket. The most recent one they had, the American USA mystery thing they had going over 4th of July. So I got that, and it's underwhelming to say the least. So I'm gonna go through what I got. I got this premium microfiber wash sponge, which I got this already from the first mystery box that I got. I got one of these, so there's that. And I got this kind of towel. I don't honestly know what this is or what you're supposed to use, but it almost kind of looks like one of those that you use on like a touch screen or something like that. So I guess it doesn't even say what it is, but something else. I also got Revive hand polish. Never even thought about buying this. Quite frankly, didn't really know what it was until I got it and read it. I guess it's some kind of like wax or cleaner or something like that. So I'm gonna try this out, and I'm still working on that like mass review of like all the other Adams products I got from the last mystery box unboxing. So look out for that, get subscribed for that. So I got that. That's kind of cool, I guess. I also got Eco all-purpose cleaner. Now, I don't know if the all-purpose cleaner is anything like the wheel cleaner, but the wheel cleaner sucks. Like, I absolutely hate it. And I will say, I don't know if I'm using it right, but I tried it out one time when I washed the car on the wheels. They were kind of dirty, but not even like really dirty. They were just kind of like light brake dust on them. Like, the wheels still look nice and silver, as you can see over there. So, and it just did not work like at all the way that I assumed that it should, and just didn't even really clean them. Like, I literally had to get in there with like a towel, and just like I used one of the other products that I got in here that I already had, and just cleaned it that way with a towel and a brush, because the Eco wheel cleaner just did not work, and I don't like it at all. So I really hope that the Eco all-purpose cleaner isn't like that, or this is gonna be another one down out of this thing that I'm really not gonna like. Now, this is that other product I was telling you that I got before, the Ultra Foam Shampoo. Now, I don't have a foam gun or anything. I don't have a foam gun or anything, but I just have like, I don't even know how to say. I'll put like a picture on the screen so you can see what I'm talking about. It's basically one of those ones that you just kind of put soap in and it just attaches to the water hose, one of those. I put this in it, use this to wash the car. This stuff is amazing. Now, I'm not sure like if I would get the same results with just the regular shampoo that they sell, like the blue one, but I really like this. So it's kind of cool to get another one of these. It's cool, I guess. I mean, this is like one useful thing that I've got out of this so far, other than I guess the hand polish, or yeah, hand polish stuff. I mean, that's kind of useful, but let's be real, I probably won't use that too much. Tire Shine. I absolutely love their Tire Shine. I got some of this in the Adams sample kit, and I absolutely love it. Now, this is the first time I've gotten like a full size one, because I use a Meguiar's tire gel on my car normally, because that's just what is around, and one of my neighbors recommended that to me and gave it to me, so I just been using that. But this stuff like that I tried out with the sample kit, absolutely amazing, and it smells nice. It has like a banana smell to it. It's absolutely great. So, two things that are useful, and I guess you could say the big thing or small thing in this case that really, I guess, makes this is the Americana Wax. Again, the same thing with like the Revive hand polish. Never really had a want to buy this, but I hope it's good. I mean, I looked on their website, because when I tell you, like, I was like super underwhelmed when I opened this box and I saw what was in this bucket. Like, I was really underwhelmed. So I looked this up and like, oh, it's $49, and it's like everything, like the whole bucket as a whole is supposed to have like an $80 value. This is $49, and the bucket was $49. So I guess this is like my big ticket item. I really hope this is good. I really hope this is good, because this is not a fun one. And got 2 sprayers, fun, and the all important, if I can pick it up, all important Adam sticker. So that's that. And then here's the limited edition bucket, which the regular version of this bucket they have on sale right now for $6.99. And I'm pretty sure like you could go to like Walmart and get a bucket similar to this for less than this. Like the regular buckets that I use when I do like a 2-bucket wash on the car, I got those from Walmart and they're like $2.99 each, and they're 5-gallon buckets. This is like 3.5 or something like that. So that is really gonna be it for this video. I'm not really a fan of this, and it's really kind of underwhelming for my first mystery box, because I was really looking forward to this, especially after like the last mystery boxes that I got. I was like really excited, and then when I saw this I'm like, oh okay, like I gotta do it now. And I get it, and it's just like, it's just kind of like some random stuff. Like it doesn't even, it's like 2 of the things are things that I already had, even though I like the Ultra Foam shampoo. And the little sponge thing is cool too. It's a sponge. The other towel, I don't even know really what that's even supposed to be for, but I got that. And tire shine. I like their tire shine. But other than that, it's just kind of like meh. So that's gonna be it for this video. If you liked the video, get subscribed. If you didn't like the video, tell me why you didn't like it. Tell me how I can possibly improve. Also, if you didn't check out the last Adams unboxing that I did, check it out. That's gonna be it. Thanks for watching.